So hi, we are Team 10, and we did a analysis in Gunshot in United States. So first, we want to know where does gunshot happen. So as this map clearly shows, we found some places that more gunshot is happening, and then we want to know what is driving gunshot. So we found that weather is actually a catalyst for gun violence. So as we can see, so for warm places like California and Florida, there tend to be more gunshots during winter, and for cold places like Illinois, there tend to be more gunshots in summer break. Then we want to take a look at whether or not different states have different types of gunshot. We found that places like Indiana and Michigan are featured for officer-involved gunshot incidents, while some states like New York, Massachusetts, New Jersey, and Maryland are severely suffered from drug involvement gunshot incidents, which indicates that we need more restrictions on drug issues. We also found that some states in South area tend to have more child shooters, which might be caused by worse education environment and less parental care. There are also states that have more school gunshot incidents, which tell us we need more supervision over school areas in these states.
One of the worst things that are happening to America in the recent years are mass shooting incidents. As we can clearly see from the map, California, Florida, and Illinois are some of the states most affected by this phenomenon. There are a lot of factors which might contribute to this, but one of the most important factors we found was the rise in automatic gun usage. So we took two states, California and Illinois, and we saw a strong correlation between the usage of automatic guns and mass shooting trends over the last 5 years. We then dove deep into the demographics part of it, and we found that young adults are the most involved in gun related incidents, and they're followed by the mid adult group. When we saw the young adult group, we found that they're the only age group where people are more likely to be suspects rather than victims. We then segregated them into males and females, and we found that males are way more likely to be suspects rather than females, who are way more likely to be victims. So, in the end, as we can see, there are a lot of different factors which contribute to the rise of gunshot incidents in the United States. And different states will require different policies to curb this kind of events. And these policies have to be driven by factors such as demographics, weathers, and types of guns sold. Thank you. Is this here?